Hello, boss. I'm Davis. Long time no see. Yes, now I'm in Kosovo. Yes, now we are about to set off to a granite stone factory to install equipment for a client to install 5+2 installation service for equipment. Let's go and see. Today, I'm at the factory and I received a new production requirement for a production requirement. This is a granite kitchen countertop. This is a drawing. Next, we will use our 5+2 bridge saw to quickly produce this kitchen countertop to produce. Quickly, let's follow my camera to see the specific operation process. Okay, we just finished. The countertop has been completed. Let's take a look at our camera. How long did it take to complete this? You can see it clearly.
Look a little closer.
It took a total of 47 minutes. We have completed the entire workbench. Has been completed. The processing effect is, you can see it. This is the effect of a central basin. It took a total of 47 minutes. What do you think of this time? Is there a faster way? Good? Perfect. What fan line?